Just within the compound of the leather industries of Uganda, a sign of a healthy environment. And a few meters from here, children enjoy their time on the playground, their parents less worried about letting them in harm's way than they were a few years ago. The environment is much safer now.
There used to be a lot of stench. The hides and skins used to smell.
Production at a leather industry can be messy, and the waste such as water and byproducts from raw materials can indeed be a health hazard if not well managed. Those living near the leather industries of Uganda know the effects of poor management of such. In fact, it is through their complaints to the National Environment Management Authority that the industry was shut down a few times. This is because the wastewater from here, which is polluted with chrome, a heavy metal, used to flow freely in the neighboring village. That's aside from it draining into the nearby Lake Victoria.
On 4 occasions, they opened it and shut it because they had not fulfilled the conditions that the NEMA had given them.
But it is now close to 5 years since it was last shut down. In an investment worth more than 4 million shillings, the company in 2010 set up a chrome recycling plant. The plant treats the wastewater and discharges the chrome into a regeneration tank from where it is pumped back into the factory for reuse, significantly cutting down on the amount of wastewater released into the environment, as well as ensuring better quality. Solid residues from the waste is also now filtered and later dried and incinerated, reducing on the disturbing stench.
You see, generating effluent is one, and also generating so much wastewater, so much solid waste is another. Now, handling the two is what connects you with the rest of the community.
This investment has now paid off, and a good relationship forged between neighbors that, aside from earning them recognition from environmentalists.
Because we were the worst tannery, I can say. I mean, all the rest tanneries were doing much better than us, but at least now they are looking at us as the best tannery than the rest of the tanneries.
Many investors would look into the economic sustainability of a business to decide whether a venture is lucrative or not. And many of them forget other aspects that would also add value to the industry, like the environmental sustainability. That was the case for this company a few years back, and it resulted to it being closed year after year. But now, after embracing cleaner production methods, the business is on. The community is happy and the environment much healthier. Irene Choge, NTV, at the leather industries of Uganda in Jinja, Uganda.